How you doing? Dave Barodnelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to take you through the 2024 Cruisers 42 Cantius. Starting here on the swim platform with a 42 Cantius, we've got a Kenyan grill. Underneath the Kenyan grill, we've got a Vertigo refrigerator, and of course we've got a ton of storage back here in the cockpit. Coming into the cockpit, you've got a big L-shaped settee here, all ultra leather, with a high gloss teak table in the cockpit. Entering the salon here, you see the pocket doors open up so that you can really have one big social area from the helm all the way back to the swim platform. Port side, you've got your full galley, refrigerator, 2-burner stovetop, microwave, convection oven. Starboard side, you've got a nice L-shaped settee, again with another high gloss teak table. Moving to the helm, we've got a beautiful double wide helm seat with the bolster. You've got dual Garmin screens built into a beautiful acrylic dash, wireless phone charger. Of course, you've got your joystick control. Coming downstairs, immediately on your starboard side, you're going to have your master head. You'll see that you've got a great seating area as well as a full berth, hull side windows for a lot of natural light. And then you have access to your head. Inside of your head here, you've got your full vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold shower, really nicely appointed, all dark high gloss cherry. Moving forward, you've got your second stateroom. This stateroom will have its own private head on the port side, separate shower stall, full-size berth, of course your own climate controls. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the new 2024 Cruisers 42 Cantius here at MarineMax Boston. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874 or www.marinemax.com.